Hey guys, Aaron here. Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter on a Chevy Silverado. This particular vehicle is a 2015 Chevy Silverado LT. However, if you have a GMC Sierra, years 2014 through 2018, these procedures will work as well. Pretty straightforward. Went ahead and grabbed myself a cabin air filter from O'Reilly's. About 17-18 bucks is what you're going to spend on it. It's a typical filter, nothing too special. No special really tools needed except for a T15 Torx driver. You can get ratchets, you can get these little cheap drivers, just what you're going to need. There is 4 bolts that you're going to need to remove. Go ahead and open up your glove box. There's a bolt up here, and 2 bolts down below. Here is a little bit better view of these bolts. You can have one on the right side and then one on the left. Go ahead and get those bolts removed. Alright, once you have those bolts removed, what I like to do now is just simply shut the glove box, open up the top, open up the bottom again, and by the lid, kind of over here, pulley gent, and out comes out your whole assembly. Go ahead, toss it aside, and what you'll notice in here is our cover. Kind of get this harness out of the way, get yourself some more room, and then what you can do is just with the top right here and the top here, kind of pull down and go this way, and it'll come right out. Oh boy, this is looking pretty dirty. Now what you kind of want to do here, there we are, we got half a tree. That's pretty bad. Seen worse, but there's probably our musty smell. And compared to the new one, as you can see, quite a difference. About 4 years old in that one. We're gonna go ahead and toss it and install the new one. Pretty much reverse procedure for this. What you can do is kind of get one corner in. You'll notice that on one side there'll be like this felt mesh stuff, and the other side will have it, but it'll be kind of not as hard. So just feed it in there, and what you can kind of do is manipulate the filter. Go back in there. Now with your lid, go ahead and put the bottom in first. Oops, put it upside down. Bottom goes in first. Watch out for your harness. There we go. Make sure it snaps in good, doesn't fall out. What I like to do now is just turn the vehicle on and start the blower motor. Just make sure you don't have any leaks up here by the vent, and then check your airflow too. With an cabin air filter like that, you should definitely be noticing some fresher, even more air coming out of the vents, especially on hotter days. You'll definitely tell a difference. So hope this video has helped you out. If it has, please like and subscribe. If you guys have any comments or any questions, leave something in the comment section, and I'll see you next time, guys.